didn't get a bye there. Did I?
She needs to go get it.
You need to go get it.
She needs to go get it.
What do you want?
She needs to go get it.
I got it. Whoops.
Good save. She knew, like, the worm. She's doing the worm.
Adeline, where's the ball? Have Grandpa kick the ball down the hallway.
Like he hasn't done it yet.
Not on video, Mom.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was kidding.
What do you want?
Kick it down the hallway.
Kick it down the hallway.
Okay. I haven't done it yet. Let's see. Up. Up.
Grandpa, you're rusty.
Grandpa is rusty. Are we going to come and get it? Huh? Uh-oh.
Now she's getting better.
It's in Adeline's room. Go get it. It's in Adeline's room.
It's in Adeline's room now.
It's in Adeline's room. Go get it. Go get Grandpa. Go get him.
Go get Grandpa. Go get Grandpa. Go get Grandpa. Let's go get Grandpa.
They want to.
Go get Grandpa. Okay.
Oh, there's Adeline. What the heck? There's the ball. It was in Adeline's room all the
And
time.
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah. Have you shown Dad? And how does the song go? M-I-C-K-E-Y M-O-U-S-E Mickey Mouse.
Donald Duck. Oh, Mickey Mouse.
Donald Duck.
Mr. Duck.
You like Donald Duck? You sort of browse.
Donald Duck. Donald Duck. Donald Duck. Donald Duck. Donald Duck. Shut the door.
Okay. Let's.
So it's a kick it down the hallway.
You kick it down the hallway.
Kick it down the hallway, day. Kick it down the hallway, day. Kick it down the hallway. Mom and Day. Day.
Adeline.
Good.
Adeline. Want to see Adeline?